Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Sail, sail, sail. The boat has a colorful sail. Sail. The toy store has a big sale today. Hare, hare, hare. Her hair is gorgeous. Hare. The hare is staring at me. Eight, eight, eight. 8 is my lucky number. 8. He ate fruits earlier. Steal, steal, steal. It is wrong to steal. Steal. Steel is used to make buildings. Toe, toe, toe. His toe is hurting. Toe. Dad had to tow our car.